So wait lang. So guys, thank you for your patience. I will take a beautiful shot of the globe here in Mall of Asia. Yan, antayin lang natin sandali. Yan na. Okay, this is it. Again, I'm gonna take... Oh my God. Isa pa. Antayin natin ulit. Bago-bago yung kulay ng globe. So, just wait again. Antayin lang natin. After nito, uwi na tayo. Kasi I just came here a meeting, and then after the meeting I just came here take a photo walk here in Mall of Asia. Again, I'm just waiting for the blue part turns again into blue and green of the globe.